I got a cutting of Chinese money plant back in August 2019. Let's recap the first 2 years of this plant grown in water as shown in my previous video. Initially I kept the cutting in small jars populated with snails, scuds and sea shrimp. Those are self-sustaining aquariums without any additional feeding. I keep all leaves above the water level. Only roots stay in the water all the time. The plant gets only natural indirect sunlight coming from the window. 18-month-old plant looks gorgeous in October 2020. The tiny delicate roots of the Chinese money plant grew full depth of the jar. I accidentally broke one of the leaves. You may notice that I've been moving the plant from one tank to another. Some of the tanks, as this one, you may recognize from my previous projects. January 2022. I moved the plant to a 3-liter aquarium with dwarf guppies. It's one of the last breeding couples of my dwarfs. The trunk of the plant has grown curved toward the light. The roots of this 2.5-year-old plant stretching all the way to the bottom of 3-liter jar. About 1 month later, in March 2022. Some of the leaves dried out. It looks like my dwarf guppies chew off tasty roots of the plant. I moved the plant to 1.5-liter tanks with snails and scuds. July 6, 2022. The 3-year-old Chinese money plant grew small and yet looks pretty, making a nice addition to my aquarium gardens. A couple weeks later I gave away this plant to one of my friends. Have fun and happy aquarium gardens!